Brad Williams, Excel primed, wrap rows. It was short and sweet on the previous tutorial. Let me just show you how this is working. 4, we're looking wrap count 4. Place a row into a new 2-row by 4 column list. Here's the parameter. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We grab 1, 2, 3, 4. We went across 7, 8, 9 in A. Because we're shooting across, we want 4. We want to fill 4. We want to go across 4. Even though we're going across columns, we're sticking to row 4 and going across 4. I know it's a little confusing. You would think wrap columns, and then you'd go, this is columns, and then you would wrap those and then go to the new, or creating a new row. Just keep that in mind. Creating a new row after entering 4 numbers. We're not dealing with columns, dealing with rows. Then we have this NA. You know, we can address that with this pad, but I just wanted to walk you through this so you can visualize what we're trying to do here. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.